in my head at night. I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt.
Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a oil change on a 2002 C240 Mercedes Benz. You're going to need one of these. And this is the top post filter, which I love. Trust me, I love it. And it's very, not that bad. All you just need this tool. If you don't have this tool, sometimes it'd be too tight, especially when the vehicle is hot. But we made it cool down, and once we got the tool, we are good to go. Alright, let's look how this filter looks like. Okay, as you can see right here, the filter is done. Really needed to change. Here's the new one. We're going to be using the CH8481 Fram Extra Guard. Protect your engine at its best. They have better filters, they got other filters, but today we're using the Fram. Alright, so let me remove this. This is what it looked like. Also, you have these rubber seals as well. Alright. How you been, man? Alright, I feel you. Gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so this is the one of the rubber seals. Usually we have a tool to take it off, but
like a screwdriver or a
knife? Like a flathead or a knife. My nails is done. I got no. Okay guys, as you can see, I replaced them. Old ones on the ground, new ones is replaced. Not that hard. You just stick it in here like this and just basically put it back, screw it back up. There's no really need to tighten it with the wrench. You could just basically hand tighten it. Really no force or no pressure. Alright, let's get to the bottom. Alright guys, use this. Make sure you always use this part right here. I'm going to tell you guys the size. Different vehicles have different size because sometimes they change them. So make sure it's stable. Make sure this one guys, I can't even get it properly. Okay, there we go. I got it. I'm going to let you guys know the size of it, the size of this. Here we go. Oil is draining. Woo, I can smell it. Say give it probably about a good couple minutes. And this typical vehicle takes about 8 quarts of oil, full synthetic. And today we're going to use the Magnatech 5W30 full synthetic motor oil. Guys, make sure when you jack up the vehicle, make sure you have a good 3-ton jack stand to hold up the vehicle with your jack. If one fails, of course the other one is going to hold it up, so you're not going to have no problem with that. Once again, this is a C240 2002 Mercedes Benz. Takes 8 quarts of motor oil. As you can see, we already changed the filter. That was a no problem. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and Hope you guys learned something as well. No, you don't have to take it to the shop. Do it yourself, and you save way more money by doing it yourself. And give it a few minutes. Make sure you try to get all the dirty oil out of your engine. The best thing to do as well is sometime before you start it, let the engine warm up first, so you could get a good flow when you drain your oil. It'll be easier that way and flow out faster. Alright guys, starting to slow down even more. As you can see, this drain plug have the seal on it. Guys, we could stop it right here because this is seems like it's gonna go on for the whole day. Go on for the whole day. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Not on. Push it in. Yeah.
That's it?
There you go. Yeah.
Alright, did it? I don't think that I got it properly.
Do it again then.
Let me
I'm gonna tell you when it's in.
let me release it though.
Push it from the front. From the top. There you go.
Okay. Hold on.
That's, you released it.
Yeah, I know I released it. Okay, let me turn it around because I basically have it. There we go. Alright, that should be good. Right? Is it good?
I think so. You
Okay.
could try it one more time.
One more
to see.
time.
Push it from the, okay, good.
To the top?
Yeah, you good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good. Then.
Alright, that should be good. 2 torques. Don't really need to tighten it to strip the threads. Alright guys, so let's get to the top so we could pour the oil. How's it? Let me show them what I use. Alright guys, hopefully you guys could see this is a 5/8. It's a 5/8 guys for this one. As I said, some of them is different, but this one is a 5/8. This is the type we're gonna use today. Casio GTX Magnatech 5W30 Superior GDI Turbo Formula, full synthetic. Don't forget that, full synthetic all the way. All right, here we go. And this one takes 8 quarts of motor oil. This one bottle, get through the other bottle.
Okay.
All right, guys, what we did, since it takes 8, we just count from the bottom, which is we're gonna stop like right here at 3 quarts. And that's how we do our measurement. Here we go.
That's definitely not it.
Yeah, that's not
There
it.
you go.
Let's see. Just a little bit more. Let me see. This should be it.
I think that's it. Let's stop right here. And a little bit more.
Is it a little bit
Yeah,
more?
just That'll do it.
Let me get a little bit more to get a good reading.
Okay.
All right. I think that will be it, guys. Just like that. If the light ever to come on, you could just top it up a little bit into the light, because you will get a warning light if it's not enough oil when you start the engine up. And don't try to put too much, because too much oil as well could damage the engine. So we're gonna leave it right there when we start it up, and let's see how the engine circulate the oil, lubricate the engine. We'll see if the light is gonna come on. If it come on, we'll top it up some more. You can pause it.
Scores. Well, here's the good news.
Everything is good, and that's about it, guys. That's how you do an oil change on a 2002 Mercedes-Benz C240. Job is done here. Peace.